Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Saucer Chair is probably one of the most versatile and stylish seating options available today, offering a unique blend of comfort and modern aesthetics that can instantly elevate any living space, from a cozy reading nook to a vibrant dorm room. Its distinctive circular design and plush cushioning make it an inviting spot to relax, unwind, or even get some work done, all while adding a touch of contemporary flair to your decor. If you're looking for a functional yet fashionable piece of furniture that doesn't compromise on comfort, this might just be the perfect addition to your home. Number 5. Oakham Comfy Folding Lounge Chair. Introducing the Oakham Comfy Chair, your new favorite spot to relax. Its incredibly soft faux fur and plush cushioning invite you to sink in and unwind. Perfect for any room, this chair fits seamlessly into your living space, dorm, or bedroom. It's designed to be your personal haven for reading, gaming, or simply chilling. Enjoy peace of mind with its sturdy construction. This chair is built with a strong steel frame that can support up to 250 pounds, ensuring durability and stability. No assembly needed. This chair folds flat in seconds, making it easy to store or take with you. It's ready to provide comfort whenever and wherever you need it. Generously sized, it offers plenty of room to stretch out and get comfortable. You'll have all the space you need to relax and let your worries melt away. While it's perfect for reading, gaming, or short lounging sessions, its spacious design ensures everyone can find their perfect cozy spot. Experience comfort tailored for you. What we like. This chair offers exceptional comfort with its soft, breathable faux fur and resilient PP cotton padding. Its robust steel frame ensures stability and longevity, supporting up to 250 pounds. If you're looking for a cozy spot to read or relax, this is a fantastic choice. Its spacious design makes it ideal for adults, teens, and college students who want a comfortable nook in their dorm or bedroom. What people say. It's very comfy, soft, and roomy. The chair itself is very sturdy and feels well made. It's heavy enough where it won't tip over but light enough that it can be moved easily. The plush cushioning is unbelievably soft and cozy. It's like sinking into a cloud every time I sit down. The metal frame is sturdy and feels very secure, so I don't worry about it wobbling or breaking. It's well constructed and supports my weight perfectly. Number 4. Urban Lifestyle Microsuede Foldable Saucer Chair, Black. Settle into a seat that loves you back and is designed to fit your body. This saucer chair is designed in a gorgeous gray color that will pair with any room decor. Provide a convenient place for friends or family to sit with this ultra-cozy and comfy saucer chair. It is designed for maximum comfort and durability. It is covered in super soft microsuede, a durable and soft material. For easy care, spot clean only. This super soft saucer chair measures 27D x 32W x 29.5H. It's the perfect size for kids, teens, and young adults. A foldable steel frame supports up to 225 lbs and folds flat when not in use. This makes it easy to hide out of sight and has a safety locking mechanism for added support. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort with its body-fitting design and super soft microsuede material. This chair is perfect for providing a convenient and cozy seat for guests or yourself. If you appreciate a chair that molds to your body and is easy to store, this is the one for you. It's especially suitable for kids, teens, and young adults who need a comfortable and stylish seating option in their room. What people say. Super comfy and folds for easy out-of-the-way storage. Stores easy and sturdy, but also comfortable. It's super sturdy and folds up easily so you can store it. Number 3. Milliard Faux Fur Saucer Chair, White Plus Footrest. Introducing the Milliard Faux Fur Saucer Chair, designed for ultimate comfort. Whether you're reading, watching TV, or studying, this chair makes every moment more enjoyable. This extra-large chair comfortably supports up to 300 pounds, making it perfect for everyone. It also includes a matching, foldable footrest for added relaxation. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This chair is an ideal present for loved ones, perfect for dorms, apartments, or game rooms. It's a gift that will be cherished and used frequently. Keeping your chair looking its best is simple. Just spot clean with a damp cloth, warm water, and mild detergent. Plus, our dedicated support team is always ready to assist you. Enjoy your new favorite spot right away. It conveniently folds for easy storage and transport, so you can take comfort with you wherever you go. It features a sturdy metal frame and plush faux fur. What we like. This chair elevates relaxation with its extra-large size and a matching foldable footrest, offering unparalleled comfort. It boasts a high weight capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of users. If you desire a complete lounging experience with added leg support, this is the perfect pick. It makes an excellent gift for anyone who loves to unwind in their dorm, apartment, or game room. What people say. It's sturdy and comfortable. The fabric is soft. It gives a nice cozy feeling while either watching TV, reading a book, or playing video games. It's easy to fold up and put up when not used. It comes in many colors, which makes it good for anyone. It comes ready to use with no assembly required. This chair is soft and comfortable. It is so far seeming pretty sturdy for adults to use. There is zero assembly required, just fold out the chair and it's done. The size is good for an adult, and it is very soft. The color is accurate to the photos and looks great in my office for a little reading chair. The X-large sizing is accurate. It's much wider than a standard saucer chair, allowing you to actually curl up in it without feeling restricted. The velour fabric is soft to the touch, and the padding is thick enough that you don't feel the metal frame underneath while sitting. The wood-tone frame gives it a much nicer look than the typical shiny silver metal folding chairs. It fits in well with adult home decor and doesn't look out of place in a bedroom or living room. It feels sturdy and stable on the floor with no wobbling. The best feature is how easy it is to set up and move. It folds down relatively flat for a chair of this size, making it a great option if you need extra seating that can be tucked away in a closet or under a bed when guests leave. Number 2. Urban Lifestyle Oversized Faux Fur Saucer Chair. Sink into unparalleled comfort with this incredibly cozy chair. Its plush faux fur fabric is designed to hug your body, making it the perfect spot for relaxation. This chair boasts an oversized frame, offering ample space for tweens, teens, and adults alike. Its generous dimensions ensure a comfortable seating experience for all. Built with a sturdy metal frame and a safety locking mechanism, this chair is made to last. The high-quality faux fur is both durable and easy to maintain. Forget about complicated assembly. This chair arrives ready to use, simply unfold it and start relaxing. It also folds flat for convenient storage and transport. Enhance any space with this versatile seating option. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, dorms, or apartments, it provides a cozy spot to unwind. Available in a variety of colors, this chair makes a fantastic gift for anyone. It's the ideal present for adding a touch of comfort and style to their home. What we like. Sink into luxurious comfort with this oversized saucer chair, crafted from soft faux fur that hugs your body. Its sturdy metal frame and easy-to-clean fabric make it both durable and practical. If you're seeking a plush, generously sized chair that requires no assembly and offers a premium feel, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for anyone, from tweens to adults, looking to add a cozy seating spot to their living room, bedroom, or dorm. What people say. The faux fur is super soft and cozy, making it the ultimate lounging spot. They're heavy-duty but not overly heavy, so they feel sturdy without being hard to move around. No assembly required, just unfold and enjoy. The quality is still fantastic, no sagging, no wear issues. It is very roomy and cozy all around. The chair was so soft, I instantly fell in love. Setup took less than a minute and seems pretty sturdy. This chair is soft and comfy and fluffy and actually accents our living room with a pop of beautiful turquoise, and everyone who comes in always says that it is a beautiful and fun chair. They also hook onto it, and while someone is sitting in it, drag it all over the house like a sled or pretend water skiing, so it is very sturdy and being used in many different ways. This just shows how durable it is, and my kids really give it a workout. Number 1. Urban Lifestyle Gray Polycanvas Saucer Chair. Sink into unparalleled comfort with this incredibly cozy chair. Its plush design is perfect for all your favorite relaxation activities. Enjoy a generously sized seat designed to accommodate tweens, teens, and adults alike. It offers ample space for lounging and unwinding. Crafted with a robust metal frame and durable polyester fabric, this chair is built for longevity. It's designed for easy cleaning and maintenance. Forget complicated assembly. This chair arrives ready to use, simply unfold it and start relaxing. It also folds flat for convenient storage and transport. Enhance any room with this versatile seating solution. It's ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, dorms, or apartments, offering a go-to spot to relax. Available in a variety of colors, this chair adds a touch of style to your decor. It makes a fantastic gift for anyone looking for a comfortable and chic seating option. What we like. Enjoy a comfortable and cozy seating experience with this oversized saucer chair made from durable Polycanvas fabric. Its sturdy metal frame ensures longevity, and it's easy to maintain. If you're looking for a versatile, easy to clean, and robust chair that fits perfectly in any room, this is a great choice. It's ideal for tweens, teens, and adults who want a reliable and comfortable spot for lounging in their apartment, dorm, or living room. What people say. The brown is a rich-looking chocolate brown and the material is well made, and I have had mine for months now and it still looks brand new and the stitching and quality is great. The chair is huge, so I am happy that I bought it because I'm an adult. I can lounge in the chair for hours and I have even fell asleep for an hour in the chair. Seams and stitching, while not the best, are perfect and sturdy. As is the chair itself. Folding is great for a small house like mine, and is absolutely comfy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.